Hello and welcome. This is a sandwich called how to make egg sandwiches with tartar sauce. Just got left for a toast to toast to finish toasting. Waiting for it. Okay, now it's toasted completely. Just have to put the toasted bread onto a plate, and there we are. Go ahead and get a spoon. And then get the tartar sauce spreaded. I'll spread along here. And do a little more. Awesome. Tartar sauce tastes good. Let's check the eggs. Oh, almost there. Turn this down to 3.0. And I'll wait for the eggs to finish cooking. Check again. Oh wow, they're almost there. Check. Oh yeah, that egg has finished. Go here, cook. Check again. Not yet. We'll let this egg cook, and we'll see when it's ready. Oh yeah, that egg is now ready. And this sandwich, now it's a sandwich. And by the way, thank you for watching, and here is your egg sandwiches with tartar sauce. Enjoy it, folks, and have a great evening.